Hey guys, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon, the weekend right before Thanksgiving, and we are meeting with some friends for Friendsgiving. So this might be reminiscent of old episodes when, we were at parks doing carmings and everything. Today I was invited out to a Friendsgiving event hosted by the Import Dolls of Southern California. So anyways, this is kind of a cool reminder that for those of you guys that don't actively do car meets or whatnot, you can always find forums or car groups of all kinds, and it's always nice to kind of get together, especially around these times, to just kind of celebrate and chill, hang out, have some food. As you can see behind me, and sorry that the sunlight's blinding me, we have all sorts of cars from the ladies of Import Dolls. I'll do a quick walkthrough, but I want to see something cool, so I parked a little bit far away from them because I'm not a girl, obviously, but look at this one. So this one is one of their members from Los Angeles that decided to park next to me. As you can see, Black Beauty there, and holy crap, Civic Type R, lady driven. How cool is that? And then we have all sorts of different makes. So you have Euro, you have your Scion TC with a really cool lip. We have a few FRSs, H6s, BRZ, Scion XB, which is a nice classic. Well, I guess it's a classic now. This white Veloster should not be a stranger to anybody. And then, yeah, a nice FRS and BRZ pair. And everyone's enjoying food right now over there at the table. So real quick, guys, that I have a photo opportunity with the Veloster and the Type R. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I know I say that at the end of every video that I make, but I truly mean it. The cool thing is that this year was kind of a little bit more on the slower side with the mods. I went through a lot of things. Recently, one of the reasons why I wasn't making a lot of videos was I lost both of my dogs, and I know that for some of you guys that may not sound like a big deal, but they were definitely family, and it hit me really hard. For those of you guys that have pets or dogs, dog lovers, you definitely understand that the saying, a man's best friend, means a lot. So but more than anything, I just want to say thanks for all of you guys. Thanks for all the amazing people I've met this year and last year, for all the opportunities, the laughs, the good moments, the support, and just everything else that goes with it. I'm very thankful for being able to stand here and breathe and have fun and work on my amazing little Project Veloster. And the fact that I'm able to interact with some of you guys from time to time, it means the world to me, because believe it or not, I know we're all strangers, and I know I'm just a guy holding a camera making this video, but it goes a long way. So hopefully you guys are thankful for everything else, including families and loved ones. I wish that everybody has a great Thanksgiving, and happy holidays. And I will definitely see you guys again in the next video. I know this was short, but as emotional or sentimental as it seems, I thought that it was very appropriate to make. So guys, as always, thanks for all the love and support. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys spend it with your loved ones, whether it's big or small, and be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so we're back at home base real quick, and I'm actually just going to touch up on Black Friday deals. I know I did this last year, and to be honest, this year, some manufacturers either aren't participating, or maybe they just haven't posted their stuff up because maybe they're waiting for Cyber Monday. So there's a lot less than years previous, but there's a few that I did want to mention because there's obviously good opportunities for some of you guys that have a little bit of money to spend, and you may want to dump a little bit of that money into your guys' vehicles. So with that being said, let's just jump straight into it. The first one that's obviously the most reputable one, I believe, is SoCal Garage Works. They are once again doing a 15% off, or up to 15% off everything on the store. The coupon code will apply automatically to anything in the store at checkout, so you don't have to input a code this time. Just add it to your cart, click checkout, and then see the savings for yourself. The next one that I wanted to bring up, and this is more for the hardcore enthusiasts, is Lap 3 USA. Again, Lap 3 is a company that's known for doing things like the wastegate mod on the Optimas, and then just upgraded turbos and tuning kits. They're once again doing a Black Friday sale of all sorts of different discounts. For those of you who are trying to do an ECU tune, or maybe you're just going a little bit more hardcore and you're actually upgrading the whole turbo itself. Go check them out. They have a variety of discounts for Black Friday. It's one of the ones that stood out. Following up that, a very popular one, Arc Performance. They state that they have about 60% off around their whole website, or up to 60% off. So for those of you guys looking for that new exhaust, maybe the new suspension, or maybe rims since they've jumped into that market, or wheels, go check them out. And lastly, for the Genesis community, GC Tuner has a variety of discounts on all sorts of products. So go check them out if you have a Genesis. They have all kinds of discounts for the Genesis community on a lot of different parts, a lot of high quality performance, and also just aesthetic stuff. So yeah, if not, as always, I do recommend you checking out all your other favorite vendors like Shark Racing, Car Tuners, Damfast DD, Turbo Socks, just to name a few. You know, maybe you'll have better luck, or maybe they'll post their promotions at a later date. But yeah, that's kind of the quick rundown for Black Friday / Cyber Monday this year. If you guys know of anything that I didn't mention, or if you're watching this video after its release and then there's something posted, please feel free to share with the community. Comment down below and let us know what kind of discounts are being offered and what we could look forward to, so that way you can help out the rest of us splurge a little bit. But guys, thank you so much. Sorry this video was short, and sorry that I didn't have as many deals to talk about this time. Sorry I also got a little mopey and emotional on the first half. But as always, thanks for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye and be safe. Oh yeah, one last thing before I go. Next video, I'll be announcing the winner of the Last Fit fog light LED giveaway. That's been closed off, so if you guys didn't jump on that, I'm sorry, but have no fear. We'll be doing more giveaways in the near future. So yeah, expect it in the next video. Okay, bye.